Hey, I'm Pseudokid, and welcome to the first devlog of Isekai Crusader Truck-kun's Realm Rescue. I've been working on this game part-time in Unreal for about 9 months, and about 4 months ago I started running into problems due to the experimental state of the mass entity system. That led me to start thinking about switching to Unity Dots. Not only is Dots production ready, there are several games published using it, while Unreal's mass entity doesn't have any. I'd been actively pushing off the idea of switching due to the limited time I had after work to focus on it, but in January I got laid off. My original idea with this was to see if Unity Dots would be a good fit. I wasn't entirely sure if I could replicate what I wanted in Unity or how difficult it would be. Turns out the answer is that it would take me about a month to get the core concepts of the game into Unity working the way that I wanted them to for the most part, and it outperforms Unreal. So going forward, I'm keeping this game in Unity, and I'm happy that I made the switch. I only wish that I had done it sooner.